guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying the Ardell magnetic lashes. So this is what it looks like. So I got this at TJ Maxx for $11, but they retail for $15, and I looked it up before this video. You can buy this at Ulta with the liner, but you can buy like separate lashes and different styles of lashes at Target and Walmart too. So I have all my makeup on except for my eye makeup. So without further ado, let's just get on with trying the lashes. Okay. So the reason why it took me this long to try these lashes is because first, they're pretty expensive, and second, like just the thought of magnets on my eye like just didn't sit well with me. But it's been pretty popular recently, and I saw these at TJ Maxx for like I guess $5 cheaper, so I want to try it. This is just the packaging. So it comes with the lashes, a liner, and then the liner brush. Wait, the liner brush is actually pretty nice. It's pretty stiff. So this is the liner brush. It's pretty small, but the brush is pretty stiff. This is just what the gel liner looks like. Please focus. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and it's just in the black color. Okay. So So as you guys can tell, like it's kind of wet. It's not a dry texture, which is nice. For the brush, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like the liner is pretty tacky. So let me just cover that. So how are we gonna do this? Ooh, look at that glow. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my lashes now. Sorry, there's a glare. It's my light. I like this gel liner. It's pretty tacky. Okay, I don't really put eyeliner on regularly, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, it's thick. I don't like thick liner. Oh my god, it's thick. I don't know if it's the liner or if it's just me, but it's kind of hard to put on. Okay, it says on the back to put 2 coats, so we will see. This is already pretty thick. I think I just don't know how to put eyeliner on. I think it's just a me problem. Okay. So the first coat is done. It's pretty thick. I don't like it. But that's a me problem. I don't know how to put eyeliner on. So, okay. Second coat. Okay, it's already dry. Like, is that what's supposed to happen? Okay, so 2 coats is done. I don't know. Am I supposed to be working fast? I don't know how to do this. Place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while inner liner still semi-wet and gently press down. It's dry. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. Is it gonna work? Moment of truth. Please focus on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Where? Wait. 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 Oh my god. Did I do it? Oh my gosh. Wait. 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 Wait, it looks pretty good. Oh my gosh. Little brown eyes. Okay. Wait, but look, it looks pretty good without me cutting the lash. I usually cut my eyelashes a little bit to frame my eye, but it looks pretty good. So when I put it on, it actually just like slapped on there. Like it was just like, you know how magnets work? It literally, that's what happened to the lash. Wait, I'm so shocked. I actually looked at reviews at Ulta and only like one person said that this was good. Everybody else was like, no, this sucks, like don't ever try it. But like, wow, it looks so good. Okay, let's do the other eye next. I'm left-handed, so this is my best eye. So let's see what happens with this eye. Okay, next eye. I'm nervous because I'm left-handed and I don't know how to do eyeliner. I really love the glue. Or not the glue, the gel liner. It's pretty tacky. Which I guess makes sense because that's like a glue replacement. Okay. Let's see. I am not a beauty guru. I don't know how to put eyeliner on. Gosh, oh my god, my eyelash. Okay. Oh my god. I got eyeliner on the top. Okay, that's just the best that it's gonna be. Oh my god. No. I don't know if you guys see, but do not close your eye. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Look at that. Don't close your eyes while putting this on. Oh man. What do I do? Okay, whatever. That's good. I don't know how to put eyeliner on. That's the best I can do. I need to take this off. But first, let me put the lash on. Okay. Sorry, my face, like, oh. Oh no. Hello? Oh, there. Cool. Cooperate with me. Oh no, why is this falling? Please stick. Okay. It looks good. It literally just snapped on there. Like a literal magnet. I didn't know that, like, that's how it's supposed to work. I thought you were supposed to put magnets on your lashes so that it can stick. I didn't know it was liner. That's why I never tried it. But let me take like this eyeliner off and then I will be back. I have my makeup wipe. Let me take it off. Oh my god, why is it not coming off? Okay, good. It came off. Wow, it actually looks pretty good. Again, it literally just snapped on, but the only thing is if you have like smaller eyes like me, you don't necessarily have to cut them before, because like I think it's fine. The only thing, it kind of irritates like the inner parts a little bit, but that's because like I can't really curl my lashes right now because it's permed. But I think that if you like just curl the inner part, I think like you won't really feel it. Yeah, this is pretty good. I like it. It works. Okay, let me put like a little bit of mascara on because it's not blending. Okay. Oh no! Oh. Also, you just kind of have to watch out for the ends because they're the ones that don't really stick as well as the inner corner. Oh no! Stuck to my... But like, I don't do cat eyes, so that's probably why it's not sticking, because I don't want it to come out. And like, I don't want it to be longer than my actual eye, but yeah, I mean, it's not really noticeable because it's sticking to the inner. As long as it's sticking to the inner part of my eye, like, I think it's fine. I don't think it'll fall off. But however, during a windy day, it might. I don't know. There. So this is what my eyes look like. Look, it doesn't, it's not coming off. Like, oh, it's also like pretty easy to adjust once it's on. You just kind of take it off. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm really glad I tried this out and bought this at TJ Maxx for $11 instead of $15 at Ulta. Okay, I think I'm going to be trying out different brands. The only reason why I didn't try Eyelure is because I have their regular mascaras and not mascaras, falsies, and I don't really like the band. It's very, very thick and you can still like feel it. It feels very heavy on the eyes, that's why. But I really like this Ardell one. It's like very, very effortless. I think it'll be easier if you know how to do eyeliner, but since I didn't, I kind of struggled a little bit. And also, this is pretty good, like, if you don't have a liquid liner brush. It's pretty good, pretty stiff. So overall, I do recommend this Ardell magnetic lashes. Honestly, don't believe everything in the reviews online because everything works differently for other people. So yeah, I really, really like this. It's a very unique concept and like actually works, and there's not really a mess unless you don't know how to put lashes on or eyeliner on. But yeah, I do recommend this, even though, like, even for beginners, I do recommend this. It's very easy to put on. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you tried this lashes, let me know. And also, if you have other, like, better recommendations for magnetic lashes, also let me know. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!